The 2024 Lucid Air outdoes Tesla in driving range and performance, and its distinctive design is a refreshing departure. What kind of car is the Lucid Air? The flagship model and current-only model from California-based Lucid Motors is the large, opulent, American-made electric car known as the Lucid Air. The Air boasts the best range ratings of any electric vehicle across a variety of models, and the new Air Sapphire for 2024 delivers performance that challenges supercars. It competes against the Audi e-tron GT, Porsche Taycan, and Mercedes-Benz EQS in addition to the Tesla Model S. With an 8.6 out of 10 rating, the 2024 Air is a fantastic automobile in almost every way if you can buy it. It offers cutting-edge performance, efficiency, and range in addition to competitive safety and technological features and a more opulent cabin than any Tesla. Though Lucid has only delivered a small number of cars overall, its service operation is still mostly unproven, and most customers report that it works effectively and offers individualized care. What's new for the 2024 Lucid Air? Lucid expanded the Air selection last year by adding more economical touring and pure models. The Air will see 2 more iterations in 2024, one of which will be the most expensive and high-performing Air model to date, and the other providing a more accessible entry point. The Air Sapphire leads the lineup with tri-motor performance, while the Budget Play is a rear-wheel drive variant of the Pure. It outperforms the Tesla Model S Plaid in several areas, making it a formidable competitor. In the engineering department, Lucid put in a lot of work to get the Air into production. The large car was designed with the help of Lucid's own Formula E experience as well as the battery know-how of its predecessor, Ativa. Because of its focus on efficiency and astute engineering, it uses less energy and incorporates some of the market's most powerful motors. The 430 horsepower single-motor Air Pure is the base model in the Air lineup. Other models include the 480 horsepower Pure and the 620 horsepower dual-motor Touring models. The 819 horsepower dual-motor Grand Touring model, which has been updated for 2024 with lessons learned from the Grand Touring Performance model, is the top model for most needs and budgets. With 3 motors, 1 in the front and 2 in the back, producing 1,234 horsepower, the unique Sapphire Performance Edition can reach a high speed of 205 miles per hour and go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. If you have the $250,500 to spare. The model also comes with a slew of other enhancements that make the performance achievable. The 920-volt electrical architecture of the Lucid Air contributes to its impressive range, efficiency, and charging, which make it a true tech marvel even with its high performance claims. With an EPA range rating of up to 516 miles, the Air can add 300 miles in 20 minutes when connected to a 350 kW CCD-DC fast charging adapter. The Air is a huge sedan that resembles the Tesla Model S or BMW 5 Series from the outside, but it stands apart from the crowd with its cab-forward design that draws inspiration from aeroplanes. Earthy tones predominate in the upholstery and decorations, while the glass roof that is standard on a large portion of the model line keeps the cabin light. Compared to gasoline vehicles of the same overall proportions, the Air has a larger interior. It's evidence that you don't have to worry about gasoline tanks, engines, or tailpipes. Despite all the sprawl-out space, riders will probably have to dip heads to get in and out. Plenty of adaptable room is provided by the deep trunk, the spacious front trunk, and the folding rear seat backs. The focal point of the Air's interface is a 34.0-inch wide glass section that curves across the gauge cluster and ends in the center of a low-set dash. If and when you need extra screen real estate, a retractable touchscreen is located directly beneath it. With its high-resolution LiDAR sensors at the center of a prospective enhanced driver aid suite, Lucid employs part of the bandwidth for over-the-air updates, hinting at its potential. How much does the 2024 Lucid Air cost? Less than the previous year, even though the Sapphire adds an extremely costly upper end. With the inclusion of the single-motor rear-wheel drive Pure trim, the Lucid Air starts at $78,900 for the Pure version. The $87,400 Touring sits above it. It has been slightly repositioned to enable the panoramic glass roof and leather inside options. A repositioned Grand Touring model, which is not yet priced, sits just above that. And the $250,500 Sapphire is the model at the top of the range. How safe is the Lucid Air? First, technology. The 2024 Lucid Air boasts state-of-the-art architecture, computational power, and sensors. Up to 32 sensors, including high-resolution LiDAR, cameras, radar, and ultrasonic units, are part of its hardware suite. With automatic emergency braking, active lane control, blind spot monitors, surround view cameras, and adaptive cruise control, Lucid makes good use of it at the moment. However, a DreamDrive Pro driver assistance system with semi-autonomous driving is still in the works and will be made available by a later Lucid software release. The Lucid Air is a limited edition product, the first offering from a recently established carmaker, and as of the third model year, neither the IIHS nor the NHTSA have released crash test findings for it. It is not possible for us to rate it here without those outcomes. The Air's robust, contemporary, aluminum-heavy chassis was designed to be both EV-friendly and to adhere to the most recent crash test regulations. The Gravity SUV is a future model that is built on the Air's architecture. The low-mounted battery pack is shielded from impacts and debris by a ballistic shield, and Lucid's knowledge of battery cooling stems from his involvement in Formula E racing. 2024 Lucid Air features. Though not as many options as one might anticipate, the Air is well equipped throughout the board. The Lucid Air is a high-end vehicle with an impressive feature set, even for the Pure model. There are several key differences between the Pure, mid-range touring, and high-end Grand Touring models, including the battery pack, wheel options, luxury audio, and glass top. A battery pack with 88 kWh is included with the Pure, 92 kWh with the Touring, 112 kWh with the Grand Touring, and 118 kWh with the Sapphire. The 2024 Lucid Air receives a point overall for having a strong standard feature set. An additional point, or a 7, is awarded for Lucid's concierge-style service and its mobile technicians at your door assistance. The interface of the Air lineup is virtually the same. It's not very minimalistic nor excessively oversized on-screen real estate, and the most of the information is positioned high and in the line of sight. It's surprisingly intuitive. A glass panel that is 34.0 inches wide and curved in front of the driver is divided into 3 subscreens. Gauges are on the left, media and communications are on the right, and switches and controls are on the left. Tidal and SiriusXM, as an app, not a tuner, are available, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Grand Touring models feature 21 speakers of premium audio, including complete Dolby Atmos, for a significant improvement in audio quality. For the Air, Lucid provides frequent over-the-air updates. In a short amount of time, the interface has seen several upgrades, most notably a general speed and responsiveness boost, while some options and customizations are hidden deep in the menus. When it comes to options, the base Air Pure may be customized with a lot more if you only require the smaller battery pack and rear-wheel drive. Soft closed doors, a 4-zone temperature control system, power rear sunshades, heated rear seats, and a heated steering wheel are all included with the optional comfort and convenience package. A variation of the kit adds heated wipers and a motorized rear hatch to touring vehicles. Another new feature available on the Pure and Touring are massage seats with up to 20 ways of adjustment. Lucid intends to somewhat reduce the price with the redesigned Grand Touring, which is scheduled to be revealed in early 2024. The glass roof was formerly standard on top trim models, but it will now be optional. Thanks for watching.